Credit Repair Lawyers of America Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description below. Credit Repair Lawyers of America is a unique credit repair service that leverages legal expertise to help clients restore their credit. This service is specifically designed for individuals dealing with more complex credit issues, such as errors on their credit reports, outstanding debts, or issues that may require legal action. It's particularly beneficial for those who are facing the threat of lawsuits, wage garnishments, or foreclosure and need a more legal approach to their credit repair. One of the standout features of Credit Repair Lawyers of America is its lawyer-driven approach. Unlike traditional credit repair companies, this service involves a network of experienced attorneys who specialize in credit law. This legal expertise enables them to handle more challenging credit issues, such as negotiating with creditors, settling debts, and even suing creditors or credit bureaus if necessary. The company offers free consultations, where a legal expert will review your credit report and determine if any legal actions can be taken to improve your credit score. In terms of strengths, Credit Repair Lawyers of America is highly beneficial for individuals with complicated credit situations that may require legal intervention. The involvement of attorneys ensures that clients receive expert guidance and representation when disputing negative items on their credit reports. Additionally, they offer a guarantee of results, which means they only charge for their services after successfully removing negative items or improving the client's credit score. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. The service may not be necessary for those with relatively straightforward credit issues, as their services are often more expensive than traditional credit repair services. Additionally, since the company focuses heavily on legal services, it may take longer for clients to see results, particularly if their case involves litigation. Overall, Credit Repair Lawyers of America is an excellent choice for people with complex credit issues or legal concerns. With the backing of legal professionals, they offer a unique and powerful approach to credit repair. However, it's important to consider whether the service's cost and legal-heavy approach make sense for your specific needs.